Okay, using these tables, right? That is the wonder of this table. Okay, so you have first divided and found the answer, that is 2 2 1. But using these tables, okay, using these tables, just by writing this to group of 3 and adding zeros to beginning, you easily transfer the number to octal. Similar to that, if you write 4 by 4, if you write 4 by 4, same number, let me copy the same number. If you write 4 by 4, here 4, again 4, no need of 0. 4 by 4, this is 16 now. Then you can get the value of 9 and 1, 91. 1001 is 9 here, 1001 is 9, then 1. Okay. Understood the method? All of you understood the method or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
if
sir.
you have octal, write 3 by 3, then you will get the answer. Otherwise, write 4 by 4. If it is hexadecimal, write 4 by 4, then that will give the answer. Okay, similar to that, you can write other way also. Other way means, okay, assume that you have a number. You have a number like this, 703 in octal. So what's the binary number? This is equal to, can anyone tell the binary number? 7 means, what's the value of 7? 7 means, hello, 703. I want you to convert this to binary. 7 means 111. 0 means
0.
0 0. Not just single 0, right? You have to write 3 by 3.
3 by
7
0.
means 111. 0 means 0 0 0. 3 means 0 1 1. And this is the binary equivalent number. Okay, let's do another one. You have 2a 4.3 in hexadecimal.
Sir, 3 වලට 0 0 1 1 නෙමෙයිද?
3 වලට 0 0 1 1 නෙවෙයිනේ. 0 1 1. Why? You have octal number. If it is octal, you have to write 3 by 3. Yeah. 3 means here 0 1 1 0 1 1. Hexadecimal tree තමයි 0 0 1 1. Hexadecimal tree තමයි 0 0 1 1. Octal tree 0 1 1. 3 digits. Okay. Hari. So can you write the binary value for this? What is the binary value for this? Yes. What is the binary value for this? 2 means? Two means? Hello?
0 0
0 0
A?
1 0 1
1 0 1 6.
1 0 1 0.
Yes, correct. Then 4? 4?
0 1 0.
Then point 3? 3?
0 0 1
0 0 1 1. Okay, even if you have decimal points, you can write the Same one. So, okay. Now I'll give another one. So before we finish, let's try to write this one as well. Okay. Convert to hexadecimal. Convert to hexadecimal. Convert this number to hexadecimal. Okay, quickly. Okay, can you convert this number to hexadecimal and tell me the answer? Let's say who's the first one to give the answer. Let's find, because we have only 2 minutes to finish the session today. Let's see who's going to find the answer. Who's the quickest one? කවුද බලමු ඉක්මනටම හදන්න. 3452.5 ඔක්ටල්. මට ඕන hexadecimal. I need hexadecimal value. Okay, one gave the answer. A chart you have to write down. Okay, don't ask the chart from me now, because chart actually you have to finish writing this chart, huh? So you have to draw this chart in your book. Copy the chart. No need to copy actually. Okay. Finish? Okay, tell me the answer. So what is the answer? Yes?
0.
Sorry? Okay, I got, okay. So this is binary. Julian, you gave me binary one. I need hexadecimal one. I need hexadecimal one. I have given you octal number and asking what is hexadecimal.
සර් ඩෙසිමල් තිබ්බයි කියලා එතන මොකද්ද කරන්න ඕනේ?
Decimal.
අර මේ දැන් 3452යි දශම 5යි තියෙන්නේ.
Oh.
එතකොට ඒ කියන්නේ එහෙම වෙනසක් නැහැනේ අර විදිහටමනේ.
වෙනසක් නැහැ අර විදිහටම තමයි. Giving me various answers, Methuli, no. Okay, so let's write this in binary. This is octal, no. Let's write this in binary. 3 means 0, 1, 1. 4 means 1, 0, 0. 5 means 1, 0, 1. 2 means 0, 1, 1. 5 means 1, 0, 1. This is in binary. So if you know the binary, then you know how to convert this to hexadecimal. How to convert to hexadecimal? Take this 4. 4 by 4. Take this 4. Take this 4. Take this 4. First 4 is 7. Second 4 is 2. Third 4 is 1011. 1011 means B. And next 4, you can add 0 here. Next 4 is point A. Okay, no one gave me the answer. Right? This is how you find the answer. කොහොමද answer හොයන්නේ එතකොට? මුලින්ම 3 ගානේ ලියන්න. ඔක්ටල් එකනේ තියෙන්නේ. ඔක්ටල් එක තියෙන හින්දා මුලින්ම මේක 3 ගානේ ලියන්න. 3 3. 3 කියන්නේ 0 1 1. 4 කියන්නේ 1 0 0. 5 කියන්නේ 1 0 1. 2 කියන්නේ 0 1 0. 5 කියන්නේ 1 0 1. හරි, ඔය තමයි binary එක. 3 ගානේ ලිව්වම එන binary එක. ඒක ඔයාලා දන්නවනේ. You know that. Okay, that's easy. You know that. Right, 3 by 3. ඊට පස්සේ මොකද කරන්නේ? You need hexadecimal one. Hexadecimal one means you need 4 by 4. මේකම දැන් 4න් 4 හදාගන්න. මෙතන මම පොඩි වැරද්දක් කරලා තියෙනවා. 3 කියන්නේ 0 1 1 1 0 1. හරි, මෙතන පොඩි වැරද්දක් තියෙනවා. Here this is 0. 0 means A. 1 0 1 0. Yes, 0 1 0 1 0 1 0. Okay, it is 72A.A. How many of you got the answer? මං හදන්න කලින් කී දෙනෙක් හැදුවද? දැන් තේරුණාද? කොහොමද කරන්න කියලා?
Yes, sir.
Okay. First write 3 by 3, then take 4 by 4 and because 3 by 3 is octal. Yes, 3 by 3 is octal. 4 by 4 if you take, that is hexadecimal. Okay, that is the wonder of this. So this is not difficult. So you can do this. Just watch the video. I'll finish now for today. Just watch the video again and again because you got some interruption, connection issues and all. Therefore, kindly watch this video again and then you will be able to understand, right? Anyway, I'll share the document with you. I'll share the document with you through Edmodo. I'll share this. Then you can just go through this and understand again. 3, 4, 5. Okay, then thank you very much. Let's talk the remaining part in next day. Okay, good night.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome. Good night. Bye.
Thank you, sir.